Today I'm going to show you how to prepare my sticky barbecue pork ribs. For the preparation you will need a mix of dry spices. Exact quantities are written on the screen and down below in the description. You will also need 1 kg of pork ribs and 100 ml of your favorite barbecue sauce. Let's move the spices and sauce to the side and prepare the ribs. We're going to dry them with paper towels. This way we can get rid of any meat juices and extra moisture left on them. Now that they're all dry, move them to the side and take one rack at a time and trim the excess fat and stringy bits off. Make sure to leave some fat on them, it will make them juicier while they bake. While you're doing this, be careful not to cut yourself. After the ribs have been cleaned, you can go and cut them in desired size. I prefer to cut them in pairs of 2. If you prefer, you can even leave them as a whole rack and not cut them at all. Now let's take our big mixing bowl and put the ribs into it. This way we can season them easily. Let's take our spices and mix them well. Gather your spices and spread them over the ribs so they are coated well. Massage the spices into the ribs. Right at the end, grate over some fresh nutmeg. Pour over your barbecue sauce and mix everything thoroughly. Don't forget to wash your hands. Move your seasoned pork ribs to the Ziploc bag. Do not leave any marinade behind. Use your spatula to scrape it all out into the bag. Close your bag well and leave the ribs to marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. The best would be if you could leave them overnight or even up to 24 hours. While you arrange your pork ribs onto a rack, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Here I'm using a baking tray with a parchment paper on top and a baking rack. This way I can ensure that the heat in the oven can properly circulate around the ribs and you can catch all the drippings on the parchment paper as well. Makes it way easier to clean after. I'm using a vegetable dye to prevent the ribs from sticking onto the rack while they bake. Take your well marinated ribs out of your bag and arrange them onto the rack as you prefer. It's good to spread them out a bit so they don't stick to each other while they bake. Take your tray and place it in the middle of the oven and turn the heat down to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the ribs for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sauce to brush over the ribs. Here we have the remainder of the marinade that was still left in the bag. To it, we'll add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Two tablespoons of barbecue sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it well. You can even warm the mixture in the microwave if you prefer, but you can leave it as it is. Let's check back on our ribs. Turn them over and bake them for another 8 minutes. We're almost done. They already smell delicious. Now let's turn them back over and brush them well with the sauce we've prepared. Bake them for another 5 minutes with the grill turned on this time. Look at how they glisten. Don't they look delicious? Take them out and serve them while still hot. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe. See you next time.